In the raw heat of the savannah, a lioness lowers herself. The male follows, and then a bite to the back of her neck. But why? Why does nature's most intimate act often come with teeth? Today, on Creatures of Planet Earth, we're decoding one of the wild's most surprising behaviors. Why do animals bite during mating? Let's start with cats, big and small. From house cats to lions, biting isn't just instinct, it's biology. Female felines don't ovulate on a cycle like humans. Instead, they rely on induced ovulation, meaning the act of mating itself triggers egg release. The male's bite? It's not aggression, it's a biological switch. The pressure on the neck stabilizes the female's posture, and the pain of mating, especially from the male's barbed penis, sends a hormonal signal that says, ovulate now. It may look rough, but it's precise, and it maximizes reproductive success in species that don't want to waste time or eggs. But biting doesn't stop with mammals. Insects and arachnids take it to extreme levels. Praying mantises are infamous. Yes, females sometimes bite the heads off their mates, not out of malice, but because the male keeps mating, even after decapitation, and she gains nutrients for her future eggs. It's brutal, but efficient. Male spiders often grip females tightly, or even temporarily paralyze them. Why? To survive, or at least, to make sure his genes are passed on before hers decide he's dinner. In many insect species, mating is a full-body clampdown. Males may bite, clasp, or even lock themselves into the female using specialized appendages. It's not dominance, it's grip control. To align bodies, ensure proper sperm transfer, and avoid being thrown off mid-act. Sometimes biting is about the ritual. In certain fish and reptiles, mild biting or nudging can act as a signal. It's part courtship, part communication. A small bite says, "Are you receptive?" A return nit may say, "Yes," or "Not yet." It's primal but not random. It's language without words. To human eyes, these behaviors might seem violent, but in the wild, they're strategic. Each bite, each grip, each grasp has a function. To trigger ovulation, to maintain position, to ensure survival, to pass on genes at all costs. Mating in the animal kingdom is raw, intense, and full of surprises. And sometimes it involves teeth. But don't mistake it for cruelty. It's nature's choreography, designed over millions of years to ensure life goes on. Subscribe to Creatures of Planet Earth and witness more of nature's untamed brilliance, one bite at a time. I send love and light your way.